The open sea, a vast and mysterious expanse, has always beckoned adventurers, explorers, and traders. Since the dawn of civilization, humans have dared to venture beyond the safety of the shore, driven by curiosity, ambition, and the pursuit of new horizons. Ancient maritime trade routes, forged by intrepid sailors navigating treacherous waters, became the lifeblood of ancient civilizations. These routes connected distant lands, fostered cultural exchange, and shaped the course of history. From the bustling ports of the Mediterranean to the spice-laden markets of the Indian Ocean, ancient maritime trade routes facilitated the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures. These maritime highways transported not just commodities but also languages, religions, and technologies, leaving an indelible mark on the civilizations they touched. The story of ancient maritime trade is a testament to human ingenuity, courage, and the enduring power of connection. Maritime trade played a pivotal role in shaping the ancient world, serving as a conduit for the exchange of goods, cultures, and ideas. Ships laden with precious cargo sailed across vast distances, carrying with them the essence of their homelands. These voyages were not merely commercial expeditions but cultural exchanges that left a lasting impact on the societies they connected. The trade in goods was the most tangible aspect of this maritime network. Luxury items, exotic spices, raw materials, and manufactured goods flowed along these sea lanes, enriching economies and transforming lifestyles. Along with these material goods, maritime trade also facilitated the transmission of knowledge, beliefs, and artistic expressions. The exchange of ideas, technologies, and cultural practices enriched societies, fostered innovation, and contributed to the development of distinct regional identities. The ancient world was crisscrossed by a network of maritime trade routes that connected distant civilizations. These sea lanes, often fraught with peril, became the arteries of commerce and cultural exchange. The Mediterranean Sea, the cradle of Western civilization, was home to a vibrant network of trade routes that linked the empires of Greece, Rome, Egypt, and Carthage. Further east, the Indian Ocean witnessed the rise of a bustling maritime trade network that connected the civilizations of India, Southeast Asia, Arabia, and East Africa. This maritime Silk Road, plied by intrepid sailors braving monsoon winds, facilitated the exchange of spices, textiles, precious stones, and religious ideas. In East Asia, the South China Sea served as a vital waterway for trade and cultural exchange, linking the ancient civilizations of China, Korea, Japan, and Southeast Asia. Section 4. Masters of the Waves, Phoenicians, Arabs, and Chinese. The history of ancient maritime trade is intricately linked to the seafaring prowess of civilizations that mastered the art of shipbuilding and navigation. The Phoenicians, renowned seafarers of the ancient world, established a vast trading network that spanned the Mediterranean Sea and beyond. Their sturdy ships, advanced navigational skills, and entrepreneurial spirit made them the undisputed masters of the waves. In the Indian Ocean, Arab traders played a pivotal role in connecting the East and the West. Their mastery of monsoon winds, advanced shipbuilding techniques, and knowledge of celestial navigation enabled them to dominate the maritime Silk Road for centuries. In East Asia, the Chinese, renowned for their technological innovations, developed sophisticated ships and navigational tools that facilitated their maritime trade dominance in the South China Sea and beyond. Section 5. Challenges and Triumphs. Innovations in navigation and shipbuilding. Ancient mariners faced formidable challenges in navigating the vast expanse of the open sea. They battled unpredictable weather patterns, treacherous currents, and the ever-present risk of piracy. To overcome these challenges, they developed ingenious navigational techniques and shipbuilding technologies that revolutionized seafaring. The development of celestial navigation, using the stars as guides, was a major breakthrough. Ancient mariners learned to read the night sky, using constellations and the position of the pole star to determine their latitude and chart their course. The invention of the astrolabe, a sophisticated astronomical instrument, further enhanced their navigational capabilities. Shipbuilding also witnessed remarkable advancements. From the sturdy wooden ships of the Phoenicians to the massive junks of the Chinese, ancient shipwrights constantly innovated, improving hull design, sail configurations, and rigging systems to enhance speed, maneuverability, and cargo capacity. Section 6. Echoes of the Past. Legacy of Ancient Maritime Trade. The legacy of ancient maritime trade reverberates through the ages, shaping the modern world in profound ways. Many of today's major cities, from New York to London to Shanghai, owe their origins to ancient ports that flourished as centers of commerce and cultural exchange. These maritime hubs, once bustling with sailors, merchants, and adventurers, laid the foundation for the globalized world we live in today. The interconnectedness of our modern world, with its intricate web of trade, communication, and cultural exchange, has its roots in the ancient maritime trade routes that first connected distant civilizations. The languages we speak, the foods we eat, the stories we tell, all bear the imprint of these ancient maritime connections. Section 7. Conclusion. The enduring significance of maritime trade. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of exploration, with our sights set on the stars, it's crucial to remember the lessons learned from our seafaring ancestors. Their courage, ingenuity, and unwavering spirit of exploration continue to inspire us. Just as ancient maritime trade routes connected distant lands and cultures, today's space exploration endeavors hold the promise of expanding our understanding of the cosmos and fostering collaboration on a global scale. The allure of the unknown, the pursuit of new knowledge, and the desire to connect with the wider world are timeless human aspirations. As we venture further into the vast expanse of space, we carry with us the legacy of ancient mariners who dared to dream of distant shores and, in doing so, changed the course of history. The enduring significance of maritime trade serves as a reminder that our greatest achievements often lie beyond the horizon, waiting to be discovered by those who dare to explore.